Heian Yondan! Heian Yondan! What's up guys, my name is Jason and welcome back to the channel. I'm a 4th dan in Shotokan Karate and in today's lesson we are learning Kata Heian Yondan. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Starting off from Yoi position, the first move is going to be stepping into Kokutsudachi, back stance with your left leg, and hand motion is the same like Heian Nidan. The only difference is that your hands are open instead of closed. Okay, so if you guys remember Heian Nidan, right here, Heian Yondan, open, okay, down, that's 2, shifting to the other side, and you twist at the very end, the apex, the movement. Okay, now from this position, we're going to shift into front stance. We're gonna bring this foot together, pull it in, hands cross, Juji Uke, X block, stepping forward, Morote Uke. All right, now from this position, we're gonna chamber our hands and chamber our leg for Yokogeri Keage. When you do the side snap kick, you're gonna do a backhand and land into Empi Uchi, elbow strike like so. Okay, from this position again, all right, hand position like so, open. Okay, from this position, you're going to chamber, bring this leg in, hand at your hip. This hand is going to go uraken, yokogeri, and then land into Empi Uchi. Okay, like so. Okay. After this position, you're gonna go high and low guard. Okay, the hand that was doing the elbows sweep down, hand on the outside, come up, protect your face. From here, we're gonna shift, strike to the neck, then maigeri block parry, kiai. On the kiai, you guys wanna make sure you're in kosadachi, which is a cross-legged stance. Okay, knees are together, not open, and your hips are kind of at a 45-degree angle, not totally square, not totally to the side, just about 45 degree. This is a backhand. Okay, from here, we're gonna turn to the 45-degree angle, AKA the corner. Okay, hands come into X, and open, like so. Okay, from here, rear leg, maigeri, oizuki, gyakuzuki. Okay, so from this gyakuzuki position, we're gonna repeat to the other side. Okay, make sure you have your weight to the back. Kokutsudachi, open up. Okay, elbows slightly in, not elbows out, here. Maigeri, oizuki, gyakuzuki. Now from here, we're gonna go down the middle. Okay, back towards the center line, doing morote uke, assisted block 3 times. That's 1. Koku Tsudachi 2, 3. On number 3, you reach for the face, shift into Zen Kutsudachi, knee kiai, land shutoke, finish the kata. And no. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. So here we go. Starting off in yoi, and that's your kata. Heian Yondan! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look, 6, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4,